Hi, I'm Bill Jingus, and this is
Patsy Richardson.
We've decided today is a good day to put the luxury carpet tile down in the upstairs bedroom, which is a 10 by 15 room. One thing we liked about this luxury carpet tile was
From Great Mats.
that we don't have to move everything out of the room to install it. I've got a straight edge, a square, the biggest pair of scissors I could find, and probably most of the work being done with a utility knife. I've got a hammer there. As you can see, we have OSB as a subfloor, and if there's a nail sticking up or something, I can whack it and smooth it out. I've also got a couple pads here, basically just for my knees, so when I'm putting it down, I've got a little comfort there.
There's the arrow. Tells us which direction to put these in.
Okay, so to put those pieces in there, a lot of times this piece will push down on the fabric threads. So don't be afraid to pull it back up, even with the FriXions in there. You can still pull it back up like that, and that has a tendency to make that seam disappear.
We are at the end of our video now. We finished installing the carpet. We finished up about 3 o'clock and we started at about 9 in the morning. And we took a lunch break and we took some other breaks. So that's how long it took us to do. And how was it in actually like installing it? How did that go?
Well, with my helper, Patsy, it was a great experience. It went well. Feels good.
It's really soft.
It looks good.
I love how it feels. We live in the country and we have an old cat. So it could happen that dirt gets somewhere on the carpet or that there's a stain. And I love that we can just pull up one piece, either wash it or replace it depending on the stain.
It sure beats walking on OSB.
Yeah, it's a huge improvement. It's a huge improvement. This is the first room we've done so far, so we're looking forward. It went well, so we'd like to try it out with some other rooms in the house.
Caitlin Smith, you did a fine job in walking us through this and getting me my product, and it was really a pleasure dealing with you. So thank you very much.